By the grace of Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, MBJ has been working for over 2 decades on a mission to create a positive impact in society. By the blessings of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, we are aiming to launch new projects focused on health, education, food, natural disaster relief, and other areas where we can make a meaningful and positive impact in society. If you also want to be part of this noble cause, you may also become part of our team, no matter what your abilities are, where you lived, where are you from, if you are willing to contribute. Registered yourself as a volunteer. Please visit our website and click on Become a Volunteer to submit your information. Our team will reach out to you.
मुआज़ बिन जबल फलसफा में है आला मुआज़ बिन जबल एक है रोशन सितारा मुआज़ बिन जबल आलमी